Possible causes A. If hung too high, ink gravity may press the bladder valve closed, preventing proper opening and stopping ink flow. Solutions. Keep the ink bag level with the cartridge for best results. It may be placed 15–50 cm higher, but never above 70 centimeters. Possible causes B. Printing speed is too fast, and the ink supply cannot keep up. Solutions. Lower the printing speed. Recommended print frequency, 1 time per second. Possible causes C. The bladder tube clogged. Solutions. Press the bladder 3 to 5 times. Replace a new bladder if pressing does not work. Possible causes D. The connector clogged. Solutions. Disconnect the connection, then flush both ends of it with anhydrous alcohol for solvent-based or water for water-based. Possible causes E. The 1-inch empty cartridge itself has an ink supply issue. Solutions. Can't be solved, have to change another ink cartridge. Possible causes. Overpressing the ink bladder leads to excessive ink entering the cartridge. Solutions. Use a vacuum tool to extract some ink from cartridge. Possible causes A. Cartridge nozzle clogging. Solutions. First clean the nozzle with anhydrous alcohol, then vacuum the cartridge using the vacuum tool. Possible causes B. Printing speed is too fast, and the ink supply cannot keep up. Solutions. Lower the printing speed. Recommended print frequency, 1 time per second. Possible causes C. The 1-inch empty cartridge itself has an ink supply issue. Solutions. Can't be solved, have to change another ink cartridge. Possible causes D. Too much air in the cartridge or tube causes insufficient negative pressure. Solutions. Vacuum the cartridge using the vacuum tool.